Hi my loves, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am making creamy pasta with crispy chicken wings. This is the perfect comfort meal. I'm excited. Let's get started right now. First, I will start by boiling the pasta. Feel free to use your favorite pasta. This is what I will be using. I added the pasta to the water with a pinch of salt. I will start working on the sauce. First, I am melting some butter. Next, I am adding onion, garlic, and seasoning. I will let this cook for a few minutes before adding the spinach. I am using frozen spinach, but feel free to use fresh spinach. After a few minutes, I am adding the heavy cream and a little hot sauce. I am adding in the Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. I added the cooked pasta to the sauce. Cheesy and so delicious. I will start making the crispy chicken wings. I am adding seasoning and cornstarch to the chicken. The cornstarch gives the chicken a really nice crunch. I will fry the chicken till it's golden brown. Make sure the oil is not super hot, but not too low. I made this dish 2 times in a row because it was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.